we say this about even in adultery. I'm not fooling around. I just, I have needs. And besides, everybody's doing it. But I'm not hurting anyone. Let's see how good we really are. Let's be honest. Let's raise our hands, okay? How many of you ever told a lie? I'm raising my hand. Okay, and those of you who didn't raise your hand, everybody around you going like, that guy's a liar. We know it, How many of you have ever stolen anything? I have, yeah. How many of you have ever had a lustful thought? Well, see, I can't raise my hand because I'm a pastor and pastors are godly and never have. Okay, so I'm lying. Okay. Anybody ever taken God's name in vain? Sure. Now, what does that make us in God's eyes? If we tell a lie, God would say we are a sinner. Okay, a liar, right? Doesn't that make sense? You guys just want to beat yourselves up, huh? We're sinners. If you've stolen something, that makes you a thief. What was the other one we said? Oh, if you've had lustful thoughts. Remember, Jesus said if you lust in your heart, you are an adulterer. It's blaspheming to take God's name in vain. So if I've taken God's name in vain, I am a blasphemer, Pastor. Jason, that's got to be the same guy who cheered over the 6:30 service. So God looks at us and he says, okay, they're a lying, thieving, adulterous blasphemer. I'm like, oh, come on, Jeff, I'm not that bad. Second thing we believe about right and wrong. I can do anything I want as long as I'm not hurting anyone. But I'm not hurting anyone. Now, when we add the first thought and the second